All right, shifting our focus now, less than 5 days before the assembly elections in India's national capital, Delhi, the ruling Aam Aadmi Party suffered a huge setback, with 7 of its sitting electoral representatives quitting the party. Earlier, the AAP had denied tickets to these MLAs to contest the February 5th elections, instead choosing to replace them with new candidates. The 7 MLAs who resigned the primary membership of the Aam Aadmi Party on Friday include Palam MLA Bhavna Gaur, Kasturba Nagar MLA Madan Lal, Trilokpuri MLA Rohit Mehrolia, Anjana Parcha, Janakpuri constituency MLA Rajesh Rishi, Mehroli MLA Naresh Yadav, Adarsh Nagar MLA Pawan Sharma, and Bijwasan constituency MLA BS June. Meanwhile, the campaign rhetoric in the run-up to the assembly election continues to center around the controversy over the Yamuna River waters. On Friday, former Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal gave his reply to the Election Commission that had demanded factual evidence on his charge that the neighbouring Haryana government is poisoning the river. Now, Kejriwal in his reply questioned the Chief Election Commissioner and claimed that the Commission will see working for the ruling party if it did not take any action against the Haryana government and the BJP leaders.
खतरनाक बात ये है, ये आतिशी जी ने, भगवंत मान साहब ने चिट्ठी लिखी चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर को कि ये किया जा रहा है, आप हरियाणा को कहिए कि पानी में अमोनिया ना छोड़े। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने कोई संज्ञान नहीं लिया उसका। ये मिल के आए, इलेक्शन कमीशन ने उस पर कोई ऑर्डर पास नहीं किया हरियाणा सीएम को कि भाई आप पानी ठीक छोड़िए।
Earlier, the Election Commission had asked Kejriwal not to link the rising levels of ammonia in the river with river poisoning. Leading the BJP charge against Kejriwal, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a political rally in Dwarka locality where he criticized the ruling party.
ये आपदा वाले हरियाणा से नफरत करते हैं, ये तो हम सबको पता है, और अपनी नफरत में ये लगातार नीचे ही गिरते जा रहे हैं। जब दिल्ली में प्रदूषण होता है तो ये हरियाणा के किसानों को गालियां देते हैं।
The Delhi Congress accused Kejriwal of stopping the work on building master drains along the Yamuna to divert untreated sewage of the city towards treatment plants in Vrindavan.
Four or 5 years ago, Kejriwal had said, "Don't vote for me if I don't get the Yamuna clean." So he shouldn't be asking for votes now.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.